Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. This is Microtalk 64-bit here again, and today is the very first time I have done a video in a long time. The last two uploads consist of the introduction to iWork 09 and Pages 09. And those videos I had done before my little break a couple of months ago, and today we're back online and I'm gonna start doing some more videos. I have changed the outline drastically, getting rid of one service pack and putting it into the extended service pack, the disk management, which was going to be the next thing. But I cut it short. I took that out and put it into the extended service pack so that I can get into virtualization, a playlist or service pack I really am dying to get to. Today we will be looking at, we're going to continue from off the last video, Pages 09. We're going to be working with Numbers 09 today. Now, Numbers 09 is a spreadsheet program found in iWork 09, and if you have the trial version or you have iWork 09, let's go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and find it here in iWork, Numbers. In the last video, we looked at Pages 09, and this is Numbers 09. And as you can see, just like in Pages, it opens up with this nice little template chooser. You can decide if you want this to show up or not. I personally like how Numbers 09 gives you these nice designs here. And what I also like about Numbers 09 is the way in which you can have multiple tables on one spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and let's create a blank one. Yes. So we'll pick choose, and it springs in, and this is Numbers 09, and I like to have the inspector, so we're gonna say show inspector, and we have here on this left side we have sheet 1, and we're gonna rename it. And this sheet represents one sheet within the document. And here you have tables. The tables shows you all the tables on this sheet. You can have multiple tables. So if I go ahead and shrink this, you see that we have less cells and rows now. If we go ahead and we say new sheet, we can create a new sheet which will give us another table. If we go to insert, we can add other tables. We can change the tables, charts. So let's insert another table, a checklist, and we see it's been placed under here, under this table. Very nice way to keep organized. Here we have a checklist here, so we can go ahead and type something like service pack 1. See how it automatically gives us information. If you're used to Microsoft Excel or Open Office, you should be very familiar with this. And Numbers is very easy to use, and we can go ahead and check things here. We can go ahead and delete this. We don't want this sheet, so we can go ahead and say delete sheet. We have two tables here on this one sheet. And so if we go back to insert in table, we can insert other kinds of tables, basic ones like the one up here. I'm just showing you how to insert tables. Here we can format text and add images, format the images. Here in the styles, you can go ahead and change the appearance of these tables. You can see this gray headers, a gray field, and I kind of like the blue. We can go ahead and resize this if we want. Just showing you around Numbers 09. And Numbers 09 is very compatible, just like all of the iWork programs. We don't want to save this. What we do want to do though is what I want is to go ahead and pick a template. Let's say an event planner or CS. And what I mean by compatible is that this is just some of the things. Is one of the templates. If we were to go ahead and save, we could save this as a numbers document, as shown in Pages Online. We can also copy audio and movies into the document. We can export. We can export into a PDF document. We can even export into an Excel and a CSV document. So that's your compatibility. And again, if you want to share, export, you would get these same options. So that's your compatibility. And if we were to do this, let's save, export, save as an Excel document. We can select don't include the summary worksheet. We'll save this to the desktop and we'll save it as blank sample. I'm just showing you how easy it is to save these numbers document into an Excel in case you have Excel on your Windows machine or your Mac machine. And we can open it up. And Numbers 09 is so easy to use, and I think that if you have a Mac, that the iWork suite is very useful, and it's just so intuitive. It's pretty much a straightforward piece of software, and I would highly recommend you to use it. It's very compatible with Microsoft Office. And as you can see, Microsoft Office 2008 kind of takes a while to open up, which is why iWork 09 is such a great piece of software, because it's much faster. We see here some updating going on. We don't want to update. Now, the reason I saved in as an Excel document was to show you, even though you can save as an Excel document, not everything is going to look right. See here, it's not formatted the way we would like it to. But this is pretty much the document in Excel. But if you have iWork 09, chances are you won't need to have Microsoft Office, because you'll have all the tools that you need to do these things. In the next video, we will be looking at Keynote 09. And Keynote is pretty much like PowerPoint. It has a lot of nice features. Some features are quite better than PowerPoint, if you can believe. So in the next video, we'll be looking at Keynote 09. That's it for this video.